free? Well, yes, I would like to. Oh, hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to use LuckyPatcher to hack your favorite Android games. LuckyPatcher is of course a great app for cheating in a lot of mobile games. It allows you to patch apps and also apply custom patches for cheating purposes. Also get free in-app purchases through emulation of in-store purchases and many other things. Now, in order to get started, you're going to want to download a legitimate version of LuckyPatcher. Do keep in mind that there are a lot of fakes out there, a lot of websites that are imitating the original app to distribute malware and spam and other stuff. So download at the link in the description below. While you're there, leave a like for the video, comment down below if you have any questions, and to boost us in the algorithm, also subscribe for more game cheating content. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, you're going to want to just start up LuckyPatcher and browse through the patches to find the game that you're looking for. Before you get started, do make sure that you have downloaded all the custom patches. Those are specific patches for specific apps, which do exist for many games and allow you to actually patch in cheats. So now let's just go to our game that we're trying to patch. Go to menu of patches, and what you're going to want to do is do a multi-patch. Now you can do all kinds of things. In-app level emulation is the free in-app purchase mod, and removing ads is very self-explanatory, of course, and so on. We're going to want to do the multi-patch option. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove ads. We're also gonna do support patch for in-app level emulation, so the free in-app purchases, and I'm also gonna do remove license verification for good measure. Now this, yes, Dex, that's good, don't mess with that. If you wanna create a modded APK file, you would have gone for that. All this stuff, I would also check make fully offline for offline games. Now, if your game requires the internet to work, your best bet is actually not to use LuckyPatcher, but to use HackerBot. Just Google HackerBot or game hacks. Go to hackerbot.net for cheats in online games. Okay, just go to download hacks and you'll find the guide on how to get cheats for online games there. So, but besides that, yes, next step. Yes, make fully offline, as it is an offline game that doesn't require the internet. Else, again, Google HackerBot or game hacks. Then here, support patch for in-level emulation for the free in-app purchases. Let's go for the proxy server instead. If this doesn't work, try the other one, undo the patch, and try the other one. There you go. Yeah. Next step. Good. And this patch is going to take a while, multiple minutes usually. I'll go grab myself some coffee. Alright, the patch has finished. You get a little report that shows you what you can expect. So the in-app level thing kind of worked, one of them anyways. So we can expect free in-app purchases. Ad blocking seems to have worked as well. Yeah, let's just go for it. Launch the app right there. And let's check out if the games have taken effect. Now again, this doesn't work 100% on every game. It's one of many tools that you can use. So in this game, we should now have free in-app purchases. Let's check that out. Let's go into the store and do some pay-to-win stuff. You know, buy some gems, for example. Where's the gem offers? Oh, here they are, of course. Let's pay to win. Do you want to try to get this item for free? Well, yes, I would like to. Oh, and it absolutely works. As you can see, I'm not being charged anything, and I can just buy the gem arenas. And if you just want to have a look at my gems up there real quick, yep, absolutely works. And then in this particular game, we can then spend the gems on money to get unlimited money that way, basically. So takes a little bit of patience as the animations have to finish. But yeah, basically unlimited money in this particular game. Simply buy the gems and then buy the gold. And you got unlimited, the gems and gold and everything. So that is how you use LuckyPatcher to get unlimited money in certain games through free purchases. Of course, LuckyPatcher can also implement other cheats through custom patches. If you want to undo these patches, you can go to menu of patches and you can simply remove the odex file if you have chosen to do the patching through an odex file. You can also create a modified APK if that is what you would like to do, in order to put everything into an APK file that you can then install on a device without a root. Now, this process itself does require a rooted device, like doing the odex patch, but then creating the modified APK does not, which is incredible because it means that LuckyPatcher can be used both with a root and without a rooted device. So to remove the patches, just remove the odex file, and that's basically it. Or reinstall the application, but that will usually wipe all your progress, your save game for the game. So I recommend you don't do that unless it's an online game, because one of the upsides of online games is of course that they save your save state on the servers as well online, where they can't be wiped, and it's all tied to your Google account. Anyway, so that is how you use LuckyPatcher LP LuckyPatcherinos to cheat in your favorite Android games. Now, again, there is not a 100% success rate for this. If you want to check out other game cheating tools, of course, LuckyPatcher is only at number 9 of the best ones out there. You have APK modding tools above that, emulators themselves, which make it easy to root. You have Cheat Droid. You have bots, you have hack app data, APK editor, and at number 2 and 1, of course, HackerBot APK. I've already told you guys, if you're looking to cheat in online games, what you're going to want to do is just Google HackerBot or game hacks, go to hackerbot.net and go to download cheats to find legitimate cheats from the best providers out there. So for example, let's say Free Fire Mod APK, you would be able to find legitimate modded APKs for online games that way. Simply download, install, enjoy. That's how that works. And of course, at number 1 so far, the best game jacking tool on Android, of course, Game Guardian, the memory editor. However, again, this only works on offline games. Generally speaking, for online games, you're gonna need some help, or most of you will, as you guys are not programmers. Most of you, neither am I, by the way. Not to to outshine your candle in any way. I'm not any better when it comes to my programming skills either. Anyways, that's it. Head over to HackerBot for online game cheats, and to avoid all the scams you will find on Google, all the scam generators, fake APKs and stuff, you skip all that by simply going to HackerBot, and this search bar will allow you to only search legitimate cheating websites for legitimate downloads, which is what most of you guys want, and not to get scammed like you will but if you're just following these unlimited everything, unlimited gems in online games, not even possible cheat platforms that are advertised. And of course, to download, there are the links in the description for a legitimate version of LuckyPatcher. Do make sure to get a legitimate version, as there are many fakes and malware out there, a lot of copycat websites that try to imitate the original LuckyPatcher website to confuse you, so do be careful of that. Again, links to everything down in the description below. I hope you guys enjoy LuckyPatcherinoing your favorite games, and I hope this helps. If you've enjoyed the video, please give it a like, please comment down below for the algorithm, or if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more game cheating content and more Android game cheating apps. See you guys later.